This video will outline possible symptoms exhibited by the heaters, which may require them to be removed from the wall for servicing or further investigation. The indicators that will be discussed are leaping flames from the unit, dull or cloudy burning of tiles, popped out tiles or illuminated fractures, flicking or gurgling combustion sound, or unlit tiles and uneven burning. Upon operation, if flames are leaping from the unit, or if tiles are glowing dull, or have a cloudy appearance, there are two main reasons that may be responsible for this. The first being the incorrect setting of the outlet pressure of the heater. To investigate, firstly remove the control box cover. Test the inlet pressure is sufficient, but no higher than 50 millibar, as stipulated in the instruction manual, by connecting a manometer to the inlet pressure test point. If gas pressure is not acceptable, contact the site manager or relevant persons. Replace the test point screw and attach the manometer to the outlet pressure test point, the lower of the two. Remove the regulator adjustment cover and start up the unit to allow the gas valve to open. Adjust the pressure by turning the regulator screw clockwise to increase the pressure and anti-clockwise to reduce the pressure. The pressure must be set for the appropriate gas type in accordance to your region-specific pressure requirements, as stated in the instruction manual provided with the heater. Turn off the unit and replace the regulator cover. If the tiles continue to burn dull, or the flames are still too large, then it is likely the incorrect injectors are installed in the unit for the gas type being used. To investigate further, the unit must be removed from the wall and inspected on a bench top. Ensure that the unit is turned off. Start by disconnecting the flexible hose from the gas valve. Carefully disconnect the earth, ionization, and ignition cables by the terminals. Undo and remove pivot bolt. Carefully remove the unit from the wall mount and place on bench. Undo 4 mounting screws and remove wall bracket. Using 2 spanners, loosen and remove the flexible hose. Next, undo the 4 screws securing the base plate and remove the base plate itself. Take care when sliding wiring harness through the back plate of the heater. Loosen and remove the 4 manifold mounting screws. And remove the manifold. Upon close observation, the injector size can be seen on markings on each injector. If the size marked on the injectors differs with the indicated sizes marked on the compliance plates on the back of the heater with respect to your unit and gas type, please contact your dealer for replacement injectors and further injector installation information. If fractures of the tiles are present, obvious symptoms will include the illumination of fractures and in some cases can result in the tiles going out and not burning at all. In rare cases, tiles may pop out altogether. If any of these symptoms are apparent, please contact your dealer for spare parts and further information. If a flickering or gurgling sound can be heard, it is advised to switch off the heater and to restart after 10 seconds. If the sound continues after several attempts, there may be damage to a burner, and your dealer should be contacted. If unlit tiles are present, or there is a significant uneven burning without the sign of any physical tile damage, It is recommended the system is flushed with compressed air to clear any potential blockages. As outlined in the procedure in the maintenance and servicing section in the instruction manual, ensure heater is switched off, undo gas hose from gas valve outlet, and inject compressed air at a maximum of 20 psi down the inlet fittings. This will allow any minor blockages within the manifold or injectors themselves to be cleared. Reconnect the gas hose, conduct a leak test, and then restart the heater. If significant uneven burning or unlit tiles are still present, or if any question has not been answered by this video, please contact your dealer.